Hi everybody, hope you're having a magnificent Sunday. I'm Bonnie and I am so excited to be joining you today from my hometown of Austin, Texas, and I'm holding my first open house in Austin today. And I'm gonna be here holding it open a little later this afternoon from 3 to 5 p.m. But I swung by so that I could give you a quick preview of some of my very favorite features of this home. It is absolutely exquisite. Per usual, one of my favorite things about this house is the outdoor living space, but this one is really something unique. So we're down here off Bouldin Creek, and because it's been so dry in Austin lately, the creek itself is dried up, but it's still just such a fabulous oasis, and you really do need to come and see it in person. So I'm standing on the back deck here of the house, and it's really nice and spacious. As you can see, they've set up 2 different seating areas here. You've got 3 different seating areas here. You've got plenty of room for grilling out, cooking out, having a party just on the upper deck area. But then if we keep turning here, you'll see that is the creek bed. And across the way there, that's also part of this property. So you are not allowed to do any bridges or anything along Bouldin Creek, but what they've done is kind of a stepping stone crossing so that you can actually get across it even when there's water flowing. And then they've done another seating area and a little garden all under the shade trees up on the upper level across the way there. And I realize that this video is not even coming close to adequate for showing how fabulous this space is. That's why you need to come and see it in person. This is just the first snippet I'm going to give you of this house. Like I said, I'll be here from 3 to 5 later this afternoon, and I want you to come and have a look in person. The house, let me give you just a couple of details, and then we're going to go inside. We are at 2703 La Mesa Drive. It is about 2,200 square feet, and it's listed at $995,000. They've done a significant price drop since they originally listed and made it so where you can live in absolute paradise for under $1 million in South Austin. So stay tuned, we're gonna have some indoor videos soon.